I made it up here to the Bay Area and I'm super excited. I'm going to be picking up an authentic Voltex bumper for my Evo 9. Before we get into today's video, I want to let you guys know I got 2 t-shirts dropping on my website. First one is this guy right here, which is the graffiti hit. It has the 4G63 cam gear and the diamonds, of course. Second one that I have, I'm really proud of. It's the first time doing a screen printing on a t-shirt. This guy right here, it's got the Evo 9 on the back, and it kind of is a little foreshadowing of what's to come with the build. And I'll have that link down below if you want to check it out. Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Eric. If you're new, please subscribe. That was a wonderful little vacation just to get out of the heat and also pick up some very important parts. I picked up this authentic Voltex front bumper for my Evo 9, and that's what we're going to be installing today. Now I got this thing second hand, but it's in pretty good shape. It came with this splitter, but it doesn't have any hardware, so we're gonna have to make a run to the store and get the appropriate fasteners for this thing so we can attach it to the bumper. This is the track spec one with the dual canards. And also that carbon fiber lip. Alright, now that I got this splitter attached to the bumper, it's time to get this thing on the car. Alright, lesson learned here. After doing a little research, I think the splitter has to go on the car first, and then you can attach the bumper to the splitter. I ended up not putting the splitter on. I feel like I need to make some custom brackets for it that will make it mount a lot easier to the chassis. But the fitment on this is pretty darn good, as you'd expect from Voltex. It is missing the grill piece, which usually, I mean, even on the Vars kit that I had to swap over from my OEM bumper, the grill. So I'll have to source out something for that. Another thing is, I think to make it easier on me, I'm definitely going to end up purchasing some of the quick releases that you can install on here. Probably go with the JD Customs. I don't have any track days coming up anytime soon, so I'm not too worried about the splitter to test this new downforce on the car, but I promise that I will get it installed on the vehicle. I can't wait to get some pictures with this thing. It looks so aggressive. Let's do a little cinematic for you guys. Now I've got a tough decision to make, guys. Either gonna paint match it or wrap it. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think I should do. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and also subscribe. And don't forget, I got my new t-shirt drop. It's live right now, so go check out my website and pick you up a tee before they all run out. Alright, till next time, guys.